Hello friends, welcome back to School X360. These are the material required to draw a pencil sketch. I hope you have the material listed. Let's start the cartoon character of Albert Einstein. Let's start drawing eyelid and eyes using mechanical pencil. Now shade the eyes using 10B extra dark pencil. By using blending stumps, blend the shaded areas. Now draw the nose. Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist, but he also made important contribution to the development of the theory of quantum mechanics. Mechanical pencil and dark pencil is used to draw the face. Let's shade the face area using HP2 pencil. HP2 pencil is used to shade the light shaded areas like face. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more similar videos. Shade the complete face using HP2 pencil. Use number 5 blending stumps to blend the HP2 shaded area where less shading is done. Use dark pencil and mechanical pencil where the highlight is required. Einstein has also been called one of the fathers of modern physics for his groundbreaking theory of relativity. Now draw the ears. For photoelectric effect, he won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. Draw hairs using mechanical pencil. Majority of the people have an IQ score between 85 to 115, but the Einstein had 160 IQ level. Albert Einstein cartoon character is almost getting completed. Please rate the drawing in the comment below. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.